As a foreign language learner, such as someone who is studying Chinese, you may be facing a very real problem. Even though you have spent years learning Chinese or other languages, you find that ChatGPT can actually translate Chinese faster and more accurate than you. People who do not know Chinese can also communicate with Chinese speakers and read Chinese content with the help of artificial intelligence. So, why do you learn Chinese? If you are confused about this problem, please continue to think. If I do not waste time learning Chinese, I can learn other skills. I can learn programming, marketing, or design. But wait! Artificial intelligence like ChatGPT can do things like this too. They can even create art quickly and well. So what can we still do? What can our children do in the future? They can replace us. We are afraid of ChatGPT because we are afraid of being replaced. But AI is just a tool. Throughout human history, many powerful tools have been invented such as axes, bows and arrows, cars, and computers. However, human has not been replaced, and humans still have work to do. Therefore, tools cannot replace humans. But people who can use tools will replace those who cannot use tools. And those who are good at using tools will replace those who are not good at using tools. Therefore, although humans still exist, most of them are no longer here. We are just the descendant of humans who are better at using tools. Competition never occurs between humans and tools, but occurs between humans and humans. When a powerful tool is invented, the competition actually becomes particularly fierce. Unfortunately, ChatGPT is such a powerful tool. The evolution of human society is like a promotion race. Notice that I use the word evolution, not development. Human society has not development. Only technology has development. Now, ChatGPT has brought us to the key moment of this race. Those who are good at using it will be promoted, and those who are not good at using it will be out. But who is good at using it? Who is not good at using it? What is the difference between those two types of people? Apart from money, the difference between them is their brains and thinking. Therefore, we come to the first conclusion. As has been repeated throughout history, in the end, it is the brain and thinking that decide who stays and who is out. Now, we return to the initial question. ChatGPT translates quickly and well. Should I continue to learn a foreign language? The answer is, if you do not want to be out, then you should learn. Learning a foreign language is the most thorough, effective, and simple way to upgrade and transform our brains. We are what we speak. This is because language is our only way of thinking. Language is the foundation of our understanding and the description of the world. Mathematics, law, arts exist in our mind in the form of language, no matter what you are thinking about right now. Is there a voice speaking in your mind? This is language. The language we use can affect the way we think and limit our range of thoughts. If you know two languages, You have two different ways of thinking when you face the problem. Imagine you are a Windows computer. Learning a foreign language is like installing a Mac operation system on you. You have two sets of operation systems, so you can process different tasks in different ways. Learning a foreign language can give you a new way of thinking. That is why I recommend learning a language, especially Chinese. One reason is that I teach Chinese. But the more important reason is that Chinese may have the greatest difference in underlying logic compared to your own native language. For example, if you look at the subtitles below, you will find Chinese subtitles are always shorter than the English ones. You can also check the documents in different languages and the United Nations, and you will find that Chinese version is always thinner. That's because Chinese characters are two-dimensional, with the information arranged in two directions, like QR codes, while English words are only arranged in one direction, like barcodes. With the same size, QR codes contains more information than barcodes. You see, Chinese is so special. Learning Chinese can give you a new way of thinking that is most different from your own. What I'm doing is helping Chinese learners to learn Chinese in a native speaker way. Let's get back to the topic. The core advantage of learning a foreign language brings us is an upgrade of our brain and thinking. And convenient cross-cultural communication is just additional benefits. The appearance of ChatGPT is to force us to upgrade our brains and gain a competitive advantage. Like access, gunpowder, and trains, artificial intelligence will be a new tool for humans. Scientific progress will bring efficiency, but the other side of efficiency is fierce competition and fearful hearts. If you are lucky enough to be a person who can use tools, I hope you don't think about how to replace people who cannot use tools, but how to help them. Because we are humans. Competition and survival is not the whole meaning of our lives.